Things are about to get good.
Introducing first, from Guadalajara, Mexico, weighing in at 208 pounds, the Luchador Paragon Zero M.
Being the one to kick off a War Games match is not easy. There's tons of pressure resting on you to get your team off to a good start.
Well, lucky for him, he won't have to wait too long until the cavalry arrives.
That's right. This team will have the numbers advantage here, but it's not so easy to capitalize on that advantage.
It's only a matter of moments now until we find out if he's up to the challenge that is War Games. A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
And from Cordoba, Veracruz, Mexico, weighing in at 228 pounds,
These two are locked in, and there is no escape as War Games gets underway.
You can see their teammates chomping to get in there already.
Yeah, Byron, these teams have held back long enough, and now they're out for destruction.
Muscling up their opponent. Way up and down hard.
What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there.
What's he got planned for him? Death Valley Bomb.
Boom!
Oh my gosh, a follow-away moonsault slam?
Watch out!
Oh!
He just isn't being given any room to recuperate.
He's on his heels, that's for sure. Headbutt!
Going up the cage now, must have some sort of strategy in mind.
Incoming!
Oh, huge impact.
Both teams looking a little more comfortable now as this match rolls on.
Right, but this is where the contradictions of War Games come into play. You need to pace yourself, but you can't get lapped. You need to go all out, but not so much you burn out down the stretch. Strategic thinking is absolutely key to survival. Bursting out of the cage, eager to capitalize on the situation.
Oh, this isn't pretty. Caught between the ropes and a hard place. Climbing into the ring, pretty much entering a war zone. Uh-oh. Dark matter. Kick to the gut. Corkscrew neck breaker. So good. Can he shut the door on this one? The follow-away slam. Ooh, man. Oh, strong impact. He's channeling the crowd's energy. Springboard drop kick. Boom, on the button. Right to the kidneys from behind. Looking for a scoop slam. No, slips behind.
Inverted DDT connects. Here comes the buzzer. The numbers advantage vanishes with this next entrant.
That's gonna sting.
Inverted DDT.
Better make your way into the bedlam quickly. Your team needs you.
Great reversal.
Setting it up. Oh, brain buster. That might be enough. Yes, it is.
Sweeps the leg for the takedown. Looking to step over. Oh, look at this. Boom. Using his leg strength to escape.
Getting him into the corner.
Inverted tree of woe position now. Hung in the tree of woe. He's headed up. Might be going toward the top of this war game structure.
Hauled himself up on top of the wall. War Games. Oh, no!
Oh, good Lord.
I can't even wrap my head around what kind of crazy person jumps off the cage like that.
The count has started, and one team is about to have the odds in their favor.
Got him up. Yushigoroshi neckbreaker.
Unleashed from the cage and beelining it to give their team an edge in the match. Slim blade!
Numbers advantage or not, he's leaving nothing to chance as he searches under the apron.
Check out this display of power. Lifted all the way up.
Driving them down for the final prayer.
Warm up the buses. This one's over.
Come on now. Is it not enough that they're already coming in with an advantage here? Is this really necessary? And now officially in the fray. It pays to be coming in and have more friends than foes in the cage. He just created a prime opportunity. Stop after stop after stop.
Quick thinking pays off.
His athleticism is off the charts. Double team action.
Wheelbarrow suplex. Ow! In seconds. Bear hug. Bear hug. Well placed elbow. We'll get you out of it.
That might be enough. Yes, it is.
Tough position to be caught in here.
Right across the throat. Cut off with a kick to the gut. Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
And over to the other ring he goes.
Gets him with the counter.
Up and around. Down with a tilt-a-whirl backbreaker.
Bear hug. Squeezing the breath out of him.
This one.
The bear hug. And a way to get out of it. Superstar top rope. Oh, no. Lift him up. Here it comes. Muscle buster.
Now that is an exclamation point.
These men have shown no indication of staying down.
Their guts, their fire won't allow them to give up. Hammerlock suplex. To the skies. 50. Here's his window. Will he take advantage?
He lands right in a dangerous trench area.
Oh boy.
The crowd is counting it down. Next entry will tip the scales in their team's favor.
Lift off. Are on the loose, looking to change the landscape of this match. Schoolboy. Nope, rolls through.
Super kick.
He just grabbed what could be a game changer. Waiting for this one. Oh, finds the mark.
Is it enough to secure the victory? Oh, come on. You already have the advantage. You didn't need to bring that into the ring, too.
Sit out, pile driver. Oh, perfect kick.
Golly, that sounded rough.
Beautiful strike combination.
The bear hug cinched in. Gotta find a way out and catch your breath. Look at this. No quit whatsoever. Raining down elbows and escaping the bear hug. been a match for the ages.
This has been a monumental affair.
DDT! Talk about devastation.
And with his coming entrant, the teams will officially be evened up.
Soaring. And nobody's there.
You can see as he rises.
And here we go.
Boston Crab. Look at the back position. Got to minimize the damage now. Go help your...
Way to power out of the Boston Crab. I think I know what this superstar's going for.
Corkscrew neck breaker. Night. Controlling the arm. The hammerlock. Flatliner.
Oh, man, every single one hitting the mark. He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Crack in the head.
Vicious knee. When you're in an atmosphere like this, no! The target was acquired and the warhead did not miss.
And that definitely...
Up top. This is a unique application of a hammerlock. He's got him in the crosshairs.
Fights back and drops him with a bolt.
Is right.
Package pile driver.
Picture perfect execution. Pulled back into the hip toss.
And he's still managing to rally some offense. Here he goes for the win. Placed into the corner. Elbow caught him right on the bridge of the nose. He begins to climb the wall of the War Games cage.
Sweeps the legs.
Stop. And some effective... No. Good God, that does it. That'll do it.
From the top of the cage, there are no words to describe it. Just good God.
We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they know another turning point can come at any second. And going to the well again.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
Oh, my God. Superhuman power.
He's got a look.
He let it go.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Pump handle applied.
I think I know what this superstar's going for.
Makes the counter.
Oh, he got him. What a win.
Total disregard as he deposits him onto the metal platform.
Here are your winners.
So here we have our winners. They put it all on the line inside the cage and get to take home the glory today.
They won't leave this match the same people they went in as, but they will leave victorious. And depending on whom you ask, that is all that matters.
These titles are in the sights of some top duos.
Multiple teams in this match being fought under elimination rules.
Cutting the ring in half is going to be very difficult when you have more than one team to deal with.
Yeah, things won't become traditional until we're down to just two teams. Not even close to down and out at this point. Boom! What an uppercut. Roundhouse kick. Expected that one.
And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind.
Good gravy, what a body block.
Oh, heinous knee to the face.
Paint a picture for me, Corey. Hypothetically, what are some tactics you'd use to win a no DQ match?
Well, I'd stash some kendo sticks beforehand.
Is it enough? And the referee stops the count before 2.
These men knew this match was going to be hard fought. And a stop to the gut, too.
Good God, that's devastating. And into the count. And he easily stops the ref's count.
Those 1 counts getting harder and harder to kick out of.
Twisting crossbody. What a move.
A roll of the dice, and it pays off in full.
Oh, man, he is fired up now. Got him up. Ooh.
Oh, look at the double team here.
Uh-oh.
What goes up must come down.
Double flapjack.
They finish each other's sentences. They finish each other's moves. That's tag team excellence right there, gentlemen.
This match grinded him down a little. He's returning fire.
Good Lord. Talk about getting drilled.
Nice combo. Boom, what impact.
What a bionic elbow.
Oh, that can shatter a jaw.
Back suplex.
Able to counter. Oh, I missed you. I wanted to knee you in the face again. He foiled that attempt.
Just brutalizing their opponent. Grabbing a kendo stick. Any connection with flesh will definitely leave a mark. And from the example you just saw, there is no good landing to a brainbuster.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Goes into the pin. Gets the shoulder up and one.
Not time to expect victory yet.
And set right into the corner. The old running haymaker counts.
Uh-oh.
Powerbomb. Oh, what an arm drag. He's going for the pin. This could be it. He gets the kick out after the one.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
Face buster plants him. He takes control. Boom, what an elbow.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Cover. 2. And still in this.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there. Steel chair to the temple.
And that was a precisely measured attack. He may be in a bad way here.
But it's amazing how long it's taken for the damage to really set in for them in a match like this. Can't discredit that.
Don't do this. Don't do it! Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Boom! Good night. What a knee.
Cover! Kick it out before the count. I don't know what more this superstar can do to put him away.
Is that really called for?
Headlock.
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now. Oh, man, what a shining wizard.
Torturous focus on the leg. Able to reverse that. And I think we just might see.
Incoming.
Oh, man. And we are done here. Shoulders down. Shoulders down. Oh, kicks out, kicks out. He is just barely
Definitely still in the fight. I don't know how many more times he's going to be able to kick out after that.
That was too close for comfort.
And there needs to be a refocus now. That was the moment that could have ended things. A moment that's being replayed in their heads right now. So much punishment has been absorbed by these men already.
And yet, they are still going. Still ready for more. There's some power behind that punch.
Caught square by the haymaker.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now. Oh, it's coming. Oh, man, landed hard. We might just be seconds away from the end. Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark. Strong forward. He's trying again.
Powerful takedown.
The end is in view.
Kicks out.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down? Oh, careful, careful.
Please, show some compassion.
And,
What a lariat.
but can they turn that into a win? Two. Eliminated.
Flat on cue.
And a big boot. Oh, man. Oh. Ooh, harsh kick. Oh, no, getting in position. What's he planning to do here?
Putting that strain on.
Man, what a great out. And just like that, he's out of the hole.
Oh, great. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Here on the announce desk. What a
Double leg takedown.
Gonna stack them up here. Look at him.
Stopping the ref's count at 2.
You are not alone in your shock, Cole. We all thought that was it.
A rolling elbow.
To the face. What a redirect. Whatever you can do, I can do better. Counters on top of counters.
Oh, nasty stop to finish it off.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. He's on his heels a bit now.
He may get the 3 count right here. I think so.
He breaks the ref's count before 2.
There is no quit in this man tonight.
He deflects it right back.
Oh, look at the double team here.
Uh-oh. Double flapjack.
Spectacular.
And the count stop.
Cover. Is it enough?
Yeah, no. He doesn't get the 3.
Somehow, some way, he is still in this.
An arm breaker. And he wants nothing to do with it. No! He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him.
Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display. Going for broke, and it pays off.
We've already seen a few shots delivered up in that region. Shutting that down with the back elbow.
Oh, and a spear. Cover. There's 2.
Fights out at 2.
Thought he had him. You gotta be kidding me.
A deafening cheer from the WWE Universe is reverberating around us.
Absolutely unreal. Clubbing shot between the shoulder blades and now perched on the middle rope.
Tornado DDT, just like he envisioned.
In position and now muscling up their opponent.
For a devastating crucifix bomb. 2 count.
Tough way to end your night.
just too far. Get some control in there.
He thinks he has it. And that'll do it.
Has been eliminated.
Suplex!
And there's the Uranagi. Landed them.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Well, check this out. Somersault reverse DDT.
Amazing! Kevin, cue that up again!
And he's still in the game.
I do not know how you survive that.
Staying alive there is unheard of.
The next big move might end this. The question is, who has the stamina left to pull it out? Lands the elbow.
Listen to this crowd. What a feeling.
And these superstars are feeling it too.
Assaulting the knee with purpose.
Kick, opponent goes down, showing some great agility, and a deadlift into the German suplex. Wow.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too. And huge building lariat.
Can he show? Here's a cover. Could be it. Cover.
And that is all she wrote there, folks.
Atomic drop. Ooh.
Fends off the attack with an elbow.
Connecting with a sharp elbow.
And he has to start protecting himself from attacks to that area.
Saw that one coming. Took advantage. White noise. Here he goes for the win.
Can he close it out?
And the elimination. The last team standing.
Here are your winners. And the new National Wrestling Alliance World Tag Team Champions.
Tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars.
Defying the odds, accomplishing the seemingly impossible. That's what elimination matches are all about.